If you're planning to build your own food delivery platform or upgrade the one you already run, this video is for you. What you're looking at is a complete food delivery admin panel. It has everything you'd expect. Order management, live dispatch, restaurant partners, payments, customer support, reports, all the essentials are here. But that's not what this video is about. Beyond the basics, we're going to show the AI capabilities into every section of this panel, not as a separate tool, but working quietly inside the daily operations. Forecasting your rush hours, self-assigning your riders, handling your complaints and catching fraud before it costs you. The result? Operations that mostly run themselves, decisions that take seconds instead of hours, and a business you can actually scale without scaling your team. So, let me walk you through it. It starts right on the dashboard. The dashboard has all the important information that the business owner needs to know, like the daily orders, active riders, revenue, order volume, which region is giving the most orders, details of the recent orders with live status. Now let's talk about the magic of AI here. Instead of digging through reports, the admin can just ask, why did orders drop in this zone yesterday? The AI answers in plain English, shows the data, and even suggests the fix. One click, and a promo goes out to win those customers back. Next comes the orders management, where AI plays a major role in demand forecasting. Firstly, here being the admin, you can view the live status of orders and simply click on any order to view its details like the items ordered, customer and delivery agent details, address, order amount, etc. However, using AI, the system can predict order volume for every zone hours in advance. It factors in weather, past trends, and local patterns. So when a rush is coming, the admin knows before it happens and gets riders ready with a single click. Moving further is managing the riders and dispatch. On the map, admin can view the live locations of all the active riders who are already on way to deliver, order pins, etc. Admin can view the incoming orders and see the auto-suggested nearest available rider for it, or can even manually reassign it to someone else. In simple terms, dispatch runs on autopilot. AI matches every order to the right rider based on distance, prep time, and traffic. It even spots orders that can be combined to save time. No one sits there assigning deliveries manually anymore. Next is customer support, the most important thing to maintain customer retention and getting repeat customers. In this AI-powered food delivery admin panel, every complaint comes in with a ready-made reply and the right resolution already drafted. The admin just reviews, clicks send, done. In this panel, most tickets rarely need a human at all. Then there's the silent revenue killer, which is the pain point of almost every food delivery business owner: fake refund claims and promo abuse. Apart from seamlessly managing the payments and payouts, the AI can flag any suspicious patterns, shows exactly why a claim looks fraudulent, and lets the admin approve or deny it in seconds. This is something that enables thousands of dollars saved without any investigation work. Moving forward to the most important part of running and managing a food delivery business, the customer management. Along with showing the customer details along with the filters based on their date of joining and subscription status, the platform also watches for customers who are slipping away. It flags them before they're gone, writes personalized win-back offers, and also predicts the recovery. Admin can simply review the recommendations and launch the campaign in one go. Hence, the retention becomes one button instead of a marketing project. And lastly, here's what this AI-powered food delivery admin panel has to offer for restaurant partners. Firstly, it gives the admin a detailed overview of the restaurants and their performance and offers valuable AI-powered insights. AI reviews every menu. It checks the underpriced items, weak photos, best sellers worth featuring on the homepage. It can even rewrite menu descriptions on the spot. Better performing restaurants mean more orders on your platform. Plus, the admin can view and manage the restaurant-wise payouts. So here's the real takeaway. If AI can do this for food delivery, imagine what it can do for your idea. At iTechnoLabs, we build AI-powered solutions like this every day. Bring us your vision, your feature list, or even a rough concept, and our team will turn it into a working product. Let's connect and start building today.